Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. For all of you that are new here, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up above. Well, today is going to be episode 2 of my series, Short and Sweet, Delicious Dessert Dips. And the reason I'm wearing this shirt today is it's October 1st, and it's the start of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I thought I would make a dessert that, well, maybe was a little pink and would be perfect for this month. For those of you who follow me, you know that my daughter is a breast cancer survivor for, probably about almost 10 years now. I'm going to insert a few pictures of when she threw a thank you party for all of the many friends and family that supported her when she was going through her journey. And I'll also put a link down below in the description box, because a few years ago, my daughter and I sat right here and we did a complete mother-daughter sort of an interview, and she talked all about her breast cancer journey. So I'll put that down below in case you want to watch it. So anyway, today I'm going to make for you something that's going to rock your boat. So, since it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I want to remind all the women out there, get your mammogram, because that's how my daughter was diagnosed, through a routine mammogram. And I just got mine last week, and praise the Lord, it came out negative, so I was really happy about that. So, you have a whole month. Get your mammograms. It could save your life. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. So today I'm going to make for you a Jerry Garcia dessert dip. Now, if you know the Ben & Jerry's ice cream and you've had the Jerry Garcia, it's to die for. It's got dark cherries in it, and chocolate chunks in it, and it is out of this world. So, we don't need an oven for this, which is great for these dessert dips. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe and the little bell twice so you won't miss the other videos I have coming up, and you won't miss episode 3. So, what are we going to need first? Well, we're going to need a bowl. So I have like a nice medium-sized bowl here. So in this bowl, I'm going to put my 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Put that in there. I'm going to put in 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. I've already pre-measured these. And then I have my, I love it, almond extract and vanilla extract. So I'm going to put in, a half a teaspoon of my vanilla extract. I have a brand new bottle here because I go through these extracts like crazy. So let me open that. All right. So a half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Alrighty. And I'm going to put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of my almond extract. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love cherries and chocolate. Oh, and wait till I show you the cherries I'm using for this recipe. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, move that over here. Now I'm going to use a hand mixer for this. So let me get it over here. My shirt says, "Face hope, fight the cure." And there's the breast cancer ribbon there. So I'm going to mix this. I'll start out low and then I'll go on high until I get this all nice and fluffy. So here we go. I just want to get it nice and smooth, I should say. Like I said, breast cancer is very near and dear to my heart. We went through quite an ordeal with my daughter, but she's doing great, and she is a survivor. She was so brave and strong through this whole ordeal, and well, if you want to watch that video, you'll know a lot more about it. But get your mammograms! Once you get this going, so you don't end up with powdered sugar all over you, put it on high. Then it'll get nice and smooth. Okay, that looks good. So put my mixer over to the side. Now I'm going to fold in 1 cup of Cool Whip. I have my pink spatula here. So I bought an 8-ounce container, and this is going to require 1 cup. I'm trying to do these delicious dessert dips, and I'm trying to do them rather quickly. Make them short and sweet, because I know everybody's busy and nobody seems to have a lot of time to sit and watch long videos. So I'm going to fold in my 1 cup of Cool Whip. So let me do that now. This is so good. I personally love dark cherries. I just love them. And I love dark chocolate. So this is a winner for me, that's for sure. All right, let me get that all combined. I'll be back to doing my Halloween and fall recipes soon, but I did have a couple of breast cancer ones that I wanted to do for you. The next one's going to be cookies, so I hope you'll stay tuned for that. Okay, I think that's all pretty much combined. I want to get the cream cheese mixture in with the Cool Whip. Here we go. Okay. Now, what comes next? I am going to stir into here chocolate that I chopped. So let me put that in there now. Oh yeah. You're going to put in here, which I just did, 2 to 3 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. And next you're going to put in there 1 cup of frozen dark cherries. The dark sweet cherries that you coarsely chop. Now I happen to use these. These are a store-bought brand. They're from ShopRite, and they are dark sweet pitted cherries. They are delicious, and they're big too. So what I did is I chopped them up coarsely, and I'm going to put them in there with the chocolate. Now, if you're not going to serve this right away, say you're going to make it ahead and keep it in the refrigerator and maybe serve it later that day or the next day, wait to put the cherries in until you're ready to serve it. But I am going to serve this now as soon as I make it. So I put everything in here right now. So we have our chunks of chopped up. Oh, this is looking great. Let me hold it up. I have my chunks of the dark chocolate, and I have my dark sweet cherries, and with that cream cheese in it. Oh my goodness, it's like a cheesecake. Oh, it looks so good, and it's turning pink from the cherries, and I thought that would be perfect for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So don't go away. I'm going to put this in a serving dish. I'm going to show you how I like to serve it, and I'm going to do a taste testing. So stay tuned. All right, so look at this delicious dessert dip. With that dark chocolate and those cherries. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. So I'm going to put this down, and I have a little plate here with a bowl. So I'm going to, with my spoon, I'm going to fill up this dish with this dip. Oh, does this look good? Has a nice faint pink color to it from the cherries, and oh my goodness, is this heavenly? Look at that. Oh, if you like cherries, you're gonna love this. Let me move that over. Okay, now what I'm also gonna do is I have these little sugar breast cancer ribbons, so I think I'm gonna just put a couple in there just to support our breast cancer awareness. Alrighty. And now what do you serve these with? Well, you can serve them with fruit, graham crackers, or I like to serve them with chocolate wafers, just like this. These are the famous Nabisco chocolate wafers, but you can serve them with anything you like. So I'm going to put these wafers around the dish. Here we go. And I'll put some stills in for you, and I'll also put the recipe in the description box for you, because I know you're going to want to make this. Oh yeah. And you can use a bigger dish also, because I have leftover in the bowl. So we have enough cookies around there. Yummy, yummy. And this is what it looks like. And now I am going to do a taste testing. So let me take one of these chocolate wafers. I think I'll break it in half, yeah. And then let me see. Let me see what I think. Oh yeah. And if you want, you can even put a couple of chunks of chocolate on the top. I think I have a couple here. Maybe I will put that on top. There you go. Oh, is that divine? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so taste testing time. Look at this. Here we go. Oh. You must make this. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. So, this was episode 2 in my series, Delicious Dessert Dips. Dips are so easy to make. If you're having a get-together, a party, people over, you throw these together in no time at all. Now, I'm eating this right now because I want to, and we were doing a taste testing. But otherwise, you keep it in the refrigerator and let it chill until you're ready to serve it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day to spend it with me. And make sure you get your mammograms. I don't want to hear any excuses. So, I will see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles. Now I'm going to have a little more. So good.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend. been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.